Hello everyone. Here are the major highlights of India's solar industry in April 2025. India to expand PV solar module capacity to 125 gigawatt by 2030. India aim to increase PV solar capacity from 80 gigawatt to 125 gigawatt and solar cell production capacity from 25 gigawatt to 40 gigawatt by 2030. The PLI scheme and Atmanirbhar Gujarat policies are boosting domestic investment. Gujarat marked a major milestone by inaugurating 5.4 gigawatt solar cell facility. India targets 500 gigawatt of total renewable energy by 2030, including green ammonia and electrolyzer. Number 2. By March 2025, India's solar capacity reaches 105.6 gigawatt, accounting for 22% of the total power capacity. India's solar energy witnessed 29% growth over the previous year. India's total installed power capacity grew approx 8% from 475 gigawatt. Coal still provides 45% of India's power, which makes it hard to fully integrate renewable. Number 3. Uttar Pradesh target 22,000 megawatt of solar power by 2027. UP plan to add solar power through solar parks, agriculture feeders and expressway projects. Over 10 lakh applications received through under the PM Surya Ghar Yojana. The monthly installation target is 22,000 rooftop solar in financial year 2025-2026. UP is promoting clean energy through green hydrogen, bioenergy policies and the installation of solar street lights. In other news, Jindal Stainless with AB Energy Solution launches Odisha's largest captive solar project in Jajpur, combining rooftop and floating solar with a 30 megawatt capacity. Delhi Assembly to save rupees 15 lakh annually with solar power. The Delhi Assembly will install 500 kilowatt solar power plant within 100 days, cutting 15 lakh rupees in monthly electricity bill. Assam aims for 11.7 gigawatt renewable energy capacity by 2030. Assam's ICE policy 2025 targets 12 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity, promoting solar, wind and hydropower. Odisha planned 1000 megawatt floating solar power project in reservoir. Odisha target 10 gigawatt of total renewable energy capacity by 2030. Now we are going to introduce industry's highest capacity string inverter. The Hopewin 385 kilowatt string inverter is industry's highest string inverter designed for large-scale solar projects including PM Kusum. It ensures optimal energy output, making it ideal solution for demanding solar installations. Available now at Onlit Solar. There are some key features. Maximum energy conversion efficiency 99%. It operates in extreme weather condition from minus 30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Maximize your solar potential with Hopewin 385 kilowatt solar inverter. Contact us today. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more such videos.